Film. Welcome, Film Jammers. It's our favorite time of the month. It's that time when you get the boxes in the mail, and the Steadicam AERO just came in, so we're pretty excited. We've been using glide cams in the past. We've got some gimbals, but we've really wanted to step it up and get a Steadicam. Today we're just taking a first look at it, see what's in the box, see how it comes. There's not a whole lot of reviews right now online about these, so we wanted to do one for you guys. So here is the Steadicam AERO unboxing. Came from B&H today. Big brown boxes, I love them. Ooh. There we go. And we got another box inside that box. Coming out. Ooh. It says Steadicam on the side. Fancy. One cool thing about the AERO, so the AERO is about half the price of the Zephyr. So this is about a $5,000 setup. It comes with the same vest that comes with the more expensive Zephyr. The Zephyr's 10 grand, this AERO is about 5 grand. So it comes with the same vest as the Zephyr, so that's good. That's a good thing.
Okay, Mommy, what'd you get me for Christmas this year?
Yeah, Zephyr vest.
Like a pancake coming out.
Okay, so here we go. This is the vest. Ooh, congratulations.
Thank you.
Ouch. She looks pretty nice, sleek, like a new car, but you're not gonna ride her, you're gonna ride in this. It's got some adjustment thingies. Straps look nice, pretty cool. We're gonna strap this on a little bit. Okay, so this is the other part of the vest, the padded area that gets you nice and comfy, so you can operate all day long. Steadicam. Oh, this is the bottom plate, I believe, here. Another box of weights. Oh, they give you all the nice little cables. Look at that. You got a mini SDI, and a little limo cable here to power, probably.
What else is in ya?
Let's get this big daddy out of here. So we got some fun stuff here. We got different boxes. We're gonna open up each one and see what's inside. Oh yeah, congratulations. This box contains 1 Steadicam AERO Sled, 8 balance weights, 1 dovetail plate, 1 3mm Allen key, and 1 2mm Allen key. Also 1 USB drive with the AERO operator's manual, if you're so inclined. So that's what's all in here. So this is a plate here, dovetail plate, Allen screwdrivers here, Allen hex keys, USB with your operator's manual. So these are the weights here. We're gonna take it out of here. So these are the balance weights attached here. This is for the bottom piece. This is different than the Zephyr Steadicam. So and this piece will attach to the vest right here. Boom, that's gonna go in the vest. Then you can be like, what? I'm Steadicamming all day long. So they give you a monitor. All these Steadicams are, including these little 7-inch monitors. So there's your monitor. Very nice. It is a 7-inch high bright. Has SDI in and HDMI in, which is nice. You get both options there. And it is gonna be 1,000 nits of brightness. So they're a bit brighter than the older Steadicams. Let's open this bad boy up. You got the sliding up and down situation there. Nice little piece here. We'll take all the SDI and limo cables off here. So far, this is everything that we got in the box. We got one more box to go.
What will be inside?
This is the arm that has all the articulation points. Very important piece of the puzzle. And this goes by the name of the A30, which will attach to the vest, which will attach to this, and then boom, it's all happening together, and you're making pictures. The A30 and Steadicam holds about 20 pounds according to the Steadicam website. So it's a little bit less than the Zephyr, but it has a pretty solid amount of weight that you can get on there. It's just a few pounds less than the Zephyr, and it's half the price. Pretty nice. We opted to go with this one, mostly because of the price savings, and it's kind of our first entry into getting a Steadicam. So that's everything that's included in the box right here. That's your whole Steadicam setup. Now, they did ship a separate box with the V-mount plate, so we're gonna open that up real quick now. You do have the option with the Steadicam to get gold mount or V-mount batteries to power it. So we have a ton of V-mount batteries, so we went that route. So here's the box and what's inside. There's your little V-mount plate, pretty sweet, pretty nice. That's everything that's included in the Steadicam AERO kit when you buy it. Gimbals are great. We own a Movi Pro, we own a Ronin, we've got a lot of different gimbals here in-house. There's something about a Steadicam footage and just setting up a Steadicam that really has its own unique quality, and I really prefer the Steadicam look. It's just we haven't had one, and we're really excited to add it to our arsenal of gear here at Film Jams. So if you'd like to pick up a Steadicam AERO, we've got links below for you. We're gonna fly some cameras on there, and we'll show you a little test footage in our next video. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and we'll see you on the next one.
The f is that?
It's a balance check.